Welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. In this channel, we learn to read with phonics. Let's start today's video. Say the sounds and read with me. A, P, I, N, K. Pink. P, I, G. Pig. A pink pig. An ant. Ant. Hill. Double letters make only one sound. We don't read it as h, a, l, l. We say a, l, hill. An ant hill. A, b, e, d, bed. B, a, g, bug. A bed bug. Hope you are reading with me. A, s, o, f, t, soft. R, a, b, e, t, rabbit. Double letters make only one sound. A soft rabbit. K, o, m, e, k. Comic. S, t, r, e, p. S, strips. St is a consonant blend. A comic strip. P, o, t, s, pots. A, n, d, and. P, a, n, s, pants. Pots and pans. F, r, o, g, s, frogs. Fr is a consonant blend. I, n, in. P, o, n, d. Pond. Frogs in pond. A, p, e, n, pen. S, t, a, n, d, stand. S and t together make st. St is a consonant blend. A pen stand. K, a, t, s, cats. A, n, d, and. D, o, g, s. Dogs. Cats and dogs. A, k, e, d, kid. in, a k, ap, cap. A kid in a cap. Now, can you try reading on your own? Mute the sound of the video and try reading. Start from the beginning. Thanks for watching. See you soon.